Certainly. Here's a more detailed explanation about healthy snacks on the go, covering what they are, why they're important, specific examples, tips for choosing and preparing them, and their benefits. What are healthy snacks on the go? Healthy snacks on the go are nutritious, portable food items that can be easily carried and consumed when you're away from home. These snacks are typically lower in unhealthy fats, sugars, and calories, and higher in essential nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Why are they important? 1. Convenience. Busy lifestyles often lead to skipped meals or unhealthy food choices. 1. Healthy snacks on the go ensure you have nutritious options readily available. 2. Nutritional balance. They help maintain blood sugar levels, provide sustained energy, and prevent overeating during main meals. 3. Weight management. Healthy snacks can help curb hunger and reduce the temptation to eat unhealthy foods. 4. Improved focus and performance. Nutritious snacks support cognitive function and physical performance, essential for both work and physical activities. Detailed examples of healthy on-the-go snacks. 1. Fresh fruit. Examples: apples, bananas, oranges, berries, grapes. Benefits: rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Easy to eat and naturally sweet. 2. Nuts and seeds. Examples: almonds, walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. Benefits: provide protein, healthy fats, fiber, and various essential nutrients. 3. Vegetable sticks. Examples: carrot sticks, celery sticks, bell pepper strips, cucumber slices. Benefits: low in calories, high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Pair with hummus or guacamole for added protein and healthy fats. 4. Greek yogurt. Types: plain or flavored, choose low-sugar options. Benefits: high in protein and calcium. Beneficial probiotics for gut health. 5. Whole grain crackers. Examples: whole wheat, rye, quinoa crackers. Benefits: provide complex carbohydrates and fiber. Pair with cheese or nut butter for added protein. 6. Dried fruit. Examples: unsweetened apricots, raisins, dates, cranberries. Benefits: concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Be mindful of portion sizes due to higher sugar content. 7. Granola bars. Tips: choose bars with whole ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, and minimal added sugars. Benefits: convenient and balanced in terms of carbs, protein, and fats. 8. Trail mix. Mix: a combination of nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and sometimes dark chocolate or coconut flakes. Benefits: provides a balance of macronutrients and is highly portable. 9. Rice cakes. Options: plain or flavored. Choose options with minimal additives. Benefits: low in calories and can be topped with healthy spreads like almond butter or avocado. 10. Hard-boiled eggs. Preparation: boil in advance and keep refrigerated. Benefits: high in protein and healthy fats, portable and satisfying. Tips for choosing and preparing healthy on-the-go snacks. 1. Read labels. Check for hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. 2. Portion control. Pre-portion snacks into small containers or bags to avoid overeating. 3. Balance. Aim for snacks that combine protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you fuller for longer. 4. Preparation. Spend some time each week preparing snacks in advance to make healthy choices easier. 5. Hydration. Don't forget to carry water with you. 5. Hydration is crucial and often overlooked. Benefits of healthy on-the-go snacks. 1. Convenience. Ready to eat, reducing the need for unhealthy fast food or vending machine options. 2. Nutritional value. Provides essential nutrients needed for overall health and energy. 3. Weight management. Helps to control hunger and prevent overeating during meals. 4. Enhanced performance. Supports physical and mental performance, keeping you focused and productive. 5. Disease prevention. Regular consumption of nutritious snacks can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Incorporating healthy snacks into your routine is a simple and effective way to improve your diet, maintain energy levels, and support overall health, especially when you have a busy lifestyle.